Welcome to Glueasy. In this video, we'll quickly guide you through the essential setup and operation of your industrial heat bending machine. Get ready to achieve precise and efficient plastic fabrication. First, adjust the hot wire position to match your desired bending distance. Remember, for consistent results, always adjust both sides symmetrically. This ensures even heat distribution across your material. Next, adjust the hot wire's height, higher for faster heating, lower for a more gradual bend on thicker materials. Use the clear marks on the side indicator and ensure both sides are perfectly aligned. Now, for setting your precise bending angle. Utilize the angle indicator to select your desired degree. Simply loosen the bolts, set the angle, and then securely tighten them to lock your adjustment in place. With your setup complete, open the power switch to preheat the heating wire. Keep a close eye on it to confirm it's hot enough before placing any material. Proper preheating is key to a clean bend. Then, carefully place your product onto the frame and allow sufficient time for heating. Once softened, remove the product and gently bend it on the side rack, precisely to the angle you set. Finally, for safety and machine longevity, always shut down the power after use. Thank you for choosing Glueasy. Contact us for all your plastic fabrication and adhesive solution needs.